No, this is the way they have my 6x7, so I want to be able to watch it work.
It does seem like something.
25 seconds.
Is that a 0.3?
Yeah, 0.3 at 30 seconds.
Yeah, 0.3 is perfect. 100% ignition.
Yeah, we're looking good.
There's a lot of fire too.
30. That's perfect. 30.
Pause for a second. Make sure the batteries are safe. Make sure it's not like a really big wind coming through. And then when you feel ready to commit to landing it, you just full stick down. I'm sorry, if you back out. That's like it, right? Everyone set it up properly. Set up the drone, and you want the drone facing the same direction. So forward facing that way, back. So I come down about 5 feet, and now I pause, make sure you feel good about committing to a landing, and then you're doing the full stick down. Oh, yep, and you center yourself. Those are the types of movements you don't want to be doing once you're lower than that. That's a straight punch. You don't want to hover there. Straight down. Straight down. Hold it down. Hold it down. Okay. Yeah, you have to hold it down. Yeah. So it's going to land, and it's going to detect a landing if the full stick is down,